Right, we're in Costco now. We're gonna get this speaker here. Yeah, pick that up. There it is. There's my Costco shop. There it is. So here it is. We're gonna unbox this Bluetooth speaker now. I noticed Costco always do this. They put it in like extra packaging for some reason. Costco. Like my knife, I got it from Thailand. Fold up knife. But yeah, before you ask, I don't carry it on the street. Just keep it at home for DIY purposes only. You know, don't walk around with it. In case you get any wrong ideas about the sort of person I am. So here it is, there's the Bluetooth speaker. Let's get rid of that. So the model was SRS XB12. So that's what they claim. 16 hours. Oh, it says you can actually add an extra speaker on here as well. I don't know if you can see that. And the lighting ain't too good there. Let me get my torch, see. See, there says you can actually add an extra speaker. Right, let's get this open now. Here's the speaker itself. That's it, nothing else in there. I'll get the previous one I got and I'll do a size comparison. So yeah, bigger. There it is, feels nice. It's almost like a matte finish, almost. Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, the previous one I got hasn't got the add function, so I doubt it'll work. You see the add. So it's on. Let's pair it up with my phone. Alright, so the speaker's all paired up with my tablet now. Oh yeah, look. It's like a cap there that covers the you got a micro USB to charge it. You got a reset button there. And you got a phone or lead audio in. Right, let's play some music.
throwing extra balls just for the non-believers. I show why it's so hard to reach us. I get pussy with my father's speeches. Puff heavily.
So there's a comparison with the older model I have. It's the time now. We're going to start playing the Bluetooth speaker. Let's see how long it will last for. Right, that's it. That's the end of day one. So we're going to pack up now. That's the time. And we're going to play it again. Day two. So that's the time right now. Day two. We're going to turn it off now. Alright, it's day three. So the orange light is blinking now, so that means it's almost dead. And that's the time. Basically 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. You see it? Don't you see it there? You see it? So he's charging. But it's still actually playing though, so yeah, say 4 o'clock.